What's up, guys? I bought this fuel management system, fill up and drain machine from Esprit Tech, but it's also CNC machined by Secraft. I'm going to go over some of the parts that I have, and then I'm going to assemble this and make this. This is the pump. This is the switch right here for forward and reverse, basically suck and blow on the fuel. And this is for the battery, Velcro the battery to it. I got the fuel filter, inline fuel filter, the ceramic fuel filter for inside the tank. I have a backup coupler in case something happens to the original one. It doesn't come with any instructions, but it's pretty self-explanatory. I have a couple tools here. I noticed that these are little Allen key heads that are going to mount the bracket to the pump. And let me pull some of the parts out of the tank here, put them on the refueling cap. Alright, so I just took the rubber out of the original tank. Put that there, and now it has like a intake filter thing. Alright, I don't think I'm gonna need that. It's gonna be mixed properly. So this is Gallon fuel line. It's best to warm it up a little bit before you actually put it on, and once you put it on, it's like locking. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the filter, ceramic filter on, take my measurement, put it inside the tank, and let's see, just watch. Here we go. When it's warm, it's a lot softer to deal with. Make sure you guys buy the Gallon genuine fuel line. It handles diesel, gas, nitro. Alright. Put that on there, slides on a lot easier. Come on. Yeah, it's just tricky. You just gotta finesse it on there. The ceramic will slide back and forth on here. So as you can see, I brought it all the way up to the tube. Alright, take my little measurement here. Alright, a little bit of slack here. So I'm gonna cut this guy here. Move this out of the way for now. Don't get it too hot. Alright. Just sliding it on the bottom nipple here, all the way on. This is gonna line up like so. And there we go, pretty much the first part's done. So now we're gonna mount this bracket to this guy here. It's a small Allen key, let's see what we got here. Nope. Perfect. All right. All right. Okay, see what size it is. So it's got the mounting holes here. It says fill drain, and it's going to get mounted like so here. Alright. This bad boy like so in here. Get the screw started. Now let's get the next one started here. Very nice. Feels heavy. And there is replacement parts for the pump. There's a little motor inside here, a little pump right here. And it might be brushless inside. I'm not exactly sure. But it's all aluminum exterior. Oh, there we go. I guess that's it. I mean, it doesn't need to be tight. It's not going to do anything. Pull these little nipples off. Let's see here. I don't know what side is in and what side is out. So let me hook up my battery here. Put it into the pump. Oh yeah. Alright. You go to full. Oh, well. I think I just found out which one's my full. Oil just came out of it. Babe, can I have a paper towel? Thank you. Alright, so this is going here to here. But actually, I'm gonna go from the inside first, straight to the point, and then leave the rest for slack. Alright, so let me put this guy on. So much better when it's warm. Alright, so this here. When it cools off, it just locks on there. It's on there tight. Either cut it or reheat it up again. So I still have that fuel filter I have to hook up. And I'm going to put that in between the tank and the pump. So nothing basically goes into the pump. Alright. Do the other end here. right here. So you have multiple, got a couple different sizes on there. Alright, so let's see what we got here. Boom. Still warm. Come on, get on there. Alright, she's on there. It just locks in. You just fill up your tank, your bag, your plane, whatever, and it just snaps right back in there. Alright, so now we got the filter here. It's a cool little filter. Let's take a look. Alright, so it's got a directional valve on it. It's also made by Secraft. I don't know if you can read it. I can barely read it. And it's directional as well. So, that's a good spot. I like that spot right there. Let's see how this works out. This is a pretty small fitting. I could just slide this one on here, no problem. Alright, so flow comes from the tank into the pump, from the pump, fill your device, or back to the tank again. Now, let's hook up this battery. I gotta put another fitting on a battery, but I have an adapter that will hold it. Alright, so this is also Secraft branded. Alright, that's here. That's a lot of Velcro. I'm gonna have to trim some of that. It's just about it. Go. My daughter Jade just came out of her room. She's a cave girl. So there you go. Pump, board, drain, fill, little tank. Now, I did buy a backup ceramic filter and a backup coupling. Look at that. So this is actually a Velcro, but you can do a peel and stick Velcro, which is the hard Velcro and will stick to itself, like that plastic type. Or you can just do a wrap like this, which I don't mind this. Just, you have to make it a little tighter. But yeah, I guess you could, just dedicate one battery to this and not need the Velcro, but I'm sure the Velcro would be needed. Right now, it's on there pretty tight. The only thing that's loose is this here, but that's not such a big deal. Yes, when you're done using it, wrap it up, put it back. And this particular system is set up for my boat. Can't wait for that to come in. But yeah, there you go. Very nice. If you want this, you're gonna pay a little bit. I'll go over to some of the prices. Now they could change or whatever like this. So this part here which they're calling the Refueling Cap System with fitting. You get it in 2 colors, blue or red. That was like 42 bucks. The fuel pump, which is this guy here, that's $115. It says you can do gas, diesel, nitro, and jet fuel, which also comes in 2 colors, blue and red. The replacement cap, I guess that is this, and this was $9. All right, and they got the medium fuel line tubing. The filter, this filter was $10, and the actual can was 20 bucks. So $223 was the out the door with some change. I hope you like it. I think it looks very professional, like it will last a very long time. I'm very happy with this. It's a 1 gallon jug. I'll peel that off later. So, peace out, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you guys. And until next time.